If you guys would like to learn how to make this WalkSpeed game pass in Roblox Studio, where if a player owns a game pass, it gives them extra walk speed, then you're gonna have to watch this whole video if you'd like to learn how to make this. Hey guys, New Gamer here, and welcome to the tutorial of how to make a WalkSpeed game pass in Roblox Studio. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a brand new video to YouTube. Now let's get started. First off, we're going to have to insert a script into script service, so right click, or you can just click plus, click insert object, and we're going to insert a script. Now you can name your script anything you want. I'm just going to name mine to Game Pass script, and then I'm going to clear print hello world, and then we're going to start scripting. So let's start with the variables. So local ID equals to, and then you're going to paste in the ID for your game pass that you made. So I'm not going to show you guys how to make a game pass, but I am going to show you guys how to make a game pass do something. So if you have made a game pass, then go to the top and just copy the link, like what you do when you get a audio and paste it into the boombox when you are trying to play music in your game. I'll probably make a video on how to make a boombox in Roblox Studio soon. So we're just going to paste in our ID, so Control V, and as you can see I have my ID inside. Okay, now we're going to say local MarketPlaceService equals to game and GetService open bracket opening speech mark MarketPlaceService with a capital M, a lowercase p, and a capital S. Closing speech mark, closing bracket. Now we're getting the marketplace service, and the marketplace service is a service that it just handles all of the game passes and developer products, and yeah, so that's why we have the marketplace service. So enter, and now we are going to do an event for when a player joins the game. So game.Players.PlayerAdded connect open bracket function open bracket, and then between these brackets we're going to say PLR, or I can just say player. I'm just going to say player so you guys aren't confused. Now we are going to say well, I'm going to be starting a beginner series soon, so I'm just going to do some little print. So print player dot name dot speech mark space joined the game. That's going to say the player's username joined the game inside the chat, because we're getting the player and the name. That's a little tip for beginners. Enter. And now we're going to do another event where whenever the player's character enters the world. So player dot character added connect open bracket function open bracket close bracket, and between these brackets we're going to say char. I'm just going to say char because character is way too long. So char, and then we're going to click enter. And now this is the part where we detect if the player has the game pass. So if game, or if marketplace service colon user owns GamePassAsync open bracket, close bracket. Now we're going to get the player's user ID. So I'm just going to put in a variable. So local user ID equals to player.UserId. Now we're going to say user ID and then comma, I don't know if it's a space or not a space, and then we're going to put in our Game Pass ID, so ID. So, or you can just paste in your Game Pass ID directly, but I'm just going to put an ID. Okay, now we're going to say then, and then inside of this, we are going to give the player extra walk speed. So we're going to say char.Humanoid.WalkSpeed equals to 32, because 16 plus 16 is 32. And like in my last video, I explained that the default humanoid's walk speed is 16. So 16 times 2, or 16 plus 16 equals 32. So yeah. And this should work. Let's test it out. So click play, or play here. I'm going to click play. And then, as you can see, we have extra walk speed. If you want to test this out yourself, then you can delete the Game Pass from your inventory and then equip it again. But it should give you extra walk speed, because I have the Game Pass and it gave me extra walk speed. So yeah, it works. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.